Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APM Guide, and I'm your Ramesh Kodumuru. As a part of our setup and config APM with Python or Python, and we are discussing about the third part, that is to how to download, install Selenium Python client binding here. Okay, in previous two videos we have seen how to set up the environment variables for the Python or PyCharm, and we have created a project, and then we have seen the importance of the Appium Python client, that is the compatible matrix. So in this video we see how to download and install the Selenium Python client. So here we discuss two cases here, to how to install the specific version of the client and how to install the latest version. So both cases we are going to discuss. Apart from that one, we have you can install this client in two approaches. That is, through the approach one is the PyCharm settings, and approach two is the through command prompt. That is the PyCharm terminal. So in both ways you can able to install. Okay. First we install the specific version. In both ways I will show you, and then we uninstall, then we install the latest version, and I will show the both approaches, approach one and approach two. Okay. So for that one we have just open the Selenium. Just open in here in this open in a browser, and then new page here. So I said just type selenium.dev downloads. Click on this one. So if you go to the downloads, under the downloads, we have the Selenium clients and WebDriver language bindings. So we are discussing Pythons. Just scroll down. We have the Python here. Okay, and the stable version is the 4.34.2. Release date is the July 8, 2025. Click on this one. So the latest version is the 4.35.0. Okay, the first case I want to install the specific version. Okay, as per our compatibility. Already I discussed in previous video. Whenever you are when you're installing the APM with the Selenium binding with the Appium Python client, just check this compatibility matrix. This compatibility matrix will be available in the Appium Python client. Okay, Appium Python client we have. Under this one, we have the compatibility matrix. Before installing or updating the Selenium binding, we are just go through this compatible matrix and select the appropriate version here. Okay, so we have the latest version is the 4.35.0. Okay, and we are installing the specific version. I don't want the latest version, I want to install the specific version. So how to get the all the versions of the Selenium binding here? Here we have the one link called release history. Just click on this release history. It will provide all the releases of this Selenium binding here. So the latest is the 4.3.0 and all the versions is 4.3.2, so 4.3.0, 4.330. So all the versions we have. So as per our requirement, as per our project requirement, we can download the which version you want here. Okay, the latest is the 4.3.50 here. So the first case to install specific version. So I not want to install the latest version, I want to install the specific version here. And make sure that this version is compatible with this Python which are installed in our system. So first of all, I'll check this which Python version is installed in my system. Python version. So I have installed the Python 3.13.6. Okay. So if you see this compatibility, so it's more than 3.9 plus version. So I can install the 4.31 above version plus version. You can able to install here. Okay. So what I will do, I'll go back here and I will select, instead of latest version, I select the 4.34.0. Okay. This version I have to install. Okay. And I want to install through, we had two approaches, right? First approach is the PyCharm settings. Okay, this approach will follow. So for that one, I had to open the PyCharm community edition, open the PyCharm. Okay, I want to install the Selenium binding here. So to install this PyCharm settings through approach one PyCharm settings, just open this one and just click on this 4 lines. Click on here. Okay. Here we have to select the settings. Select the settings. Click on settings option, and it has opened the menu here. In this menu, just select the Python and select the interpreter. Okay. Here we have only one project, so automatically it has given this. If you have multiple projects, you have to select the project here. Okay. Here in the under the Python interpreter, we have the plus. Click on this plus. Okay. And here just type the Selenium. Okay, just select the Selenium, and here I want to install the 4.34.1. Okay, so select when you open this PyCharm, here we have the one checkbox, that is a specific version. Click on this one, then this drop down will enable. So 4.34.1, select this one. So we are installing this version here. Okay, this version we are in, and we are installing through the PyCharm settings. Select go back here and click on install package. Please note this is the latest version, this is the specific version. Close and click on. So it start the downloading the Selenium Python binding. So please wait for few seconds so that it download the packages. So the installation is going on here. Yeah. So you can see at the bottom, it is downloading all the library files here. Then just click on show all. So it is downloading all the required library files for the Selenium. You may think why I am downloading the Selenium when I am working with the Appium, because we need the Selenium binding, because when you are working with the gestures or mobile browser testing, we need Selenium. That's why I'm downloading this Selenium here. Okay, now we have downloaded it. Just collapse this one and expand here. Now I want to see the library files here. So you can see these library files under the side packages. Click on here. Just scroll here. You can see the Selenium. Yeah, you can see the Selenium. So we have downloaded the Selenium libraries here. And I want to check this version also. Just what you will do, just click on this one and select the settings. Click on settings, and under the Python interpreter, you can see the Selenium. Okay, see the version what we have installed is a 4.34.1, and the available version is a 4.3550. This is the latest version, and we have installed the specific version. This is the approach one. Approach one we have followed from the PyCharm settings menu. Okay. So now what I want to through the command prompt, that is a PyCharm terminal. This is approach 2 here. So go back here. So how to uninstall this one? Just select this one and click on this minus. Click on uninstall. So automatically it uninstall the Selenium library here. Select this one and click on OK. It will remove all the Selenium binding library files here. Okay, now once again go back to settings and click on the settings here, and you see previously we used to have the Selenium library here. It has uninstalled here. Okay, now we have to install through terminal. Where we find this terminal? We have the here. This is terminal here. You click on this icon, you get the terminal here. That is a command prompt. I want to install the specific version, the same version I want. That is the 4.34.1 I want to install. So click on this one. When you click on this one, it provides a command here. That is the pip space install Selenium double equal to 4.34.1. Okay, so we had write this command here. Go back here and just not this one, this one. Okay, just type pip install Selenium double equal to the version. Okay, the version, what version we want to install, that is the 4.34.1. 4.34.1. Click on it. So we are installing through terminal here. So wait, is installing the collected packages Selenium. It takes some time. Says successfully install Selenium 4.34.1, and it also providing the information saying that a new release is also available. Okay, you want to upgrade, you can upgrade. If you want to upgrade, you just type this command here. Okay, now we have installed the specific version through the terminal. So I want to see this version here. Just click on this one, select the settings. If you see, we have the Selenium. Selenium, which version we have installed? 4.34.1, and latest version is the 4.35.0. So we have installed through the settings Python interpreter, and we have installed through the command also. That is the terminal. Okay, I want to uninstall now. Select this one and click on this minus. Okay, and click on OK. Now it has to uninstall the Selenium here. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll clear this one, and once again I'll go check whether the library file is uninstalled or not. Click on this one, click on settings, select the settings. You see the Selenium is uninstalled. Okay, so what we have did, we have installed the specific version of the Selenium Python client, and we have followed two approaches. What is the Python charm setting, and other approach is the through command prompt, that is the PyCharm terminal. Done. Now I want to install latest version for case 2. Go back to PyCharm. First approach I follow. First approach is the PyCharm settings. Just go here, click on this one icon and set the settings. Under this one we have a Python interpreter. Click on plus and just type Selenium. Okay, select Selenium, and we want latest version, right? No need to select the specific version checkbox. Click on install. Automatically it install the latest version of the Selenium binding. Click on close and click on OK. So it will download all the required library files of the Selenium Python. Click on show all. It will show the progress. Now we are installing the latest version. Okay, done. Now I want to cross check it. Just click on this icon and select the settings menu item, and you see the select the Selenium. So it says the latest is the 4.35.0 and install also 4.35.5.0, and you just check here also we have the latest is the, just a minute, it can release history. The latest is the 4.35.0. So we have installed the latest version. So if you are installing latest version, no need to provide the version ID. Just provide the install here. Okay. Now the second approach. The second approach is to through the command prompt, that is a PyCharm terminal. Okay. For before installing, I have to uninstall. Okay. So select the Selenium and click on here. Minus, let's uninstall, click on OK. So it has to uninstall the Selenium binding because we have to install through the terminal. Okay. Now then second cross check if you install or not. Click on here and select the settings. See the Selenium binding has uninstalled here. Now I want to install here. So previously what we have entered the command, that is a pip pip Selenium install. Selenium install. So this command we need to hear. Just check it. Yes. Okay. Install Selenium. Sorry. We install Selenium. Install Selenium. Okay. Here there is no need to provide the version ID. Previously we had provided like this, right? No need to provide. If you want to install the specific version, then only you have to use double equal to and version ID. If you remove this one and just enter the command that is pip space install space Selenium, automatically it will install the latest version. Okay, click on enter. So it will install the latest version if we not provide any version ID here. Okay, you see the successfully installed Selenium 4.35.0. Okay, now I want to cross check to the settings also. Just click on this icon and click on settings. So if you see the Selenium, the version we have installed is the 4.35.0 and the latest version also same. That's why this small icon was a download, right? It's not there now. So latest version we have installed here. Click on OK. And I want to check the packages, right? Where you can check it under the project. So under the project, we have the external libraries, and under the site packages folder, we have the Selenium. So these are the Selenium related library files. So this is how we can able to install the download and install the Selenium Python client. And we have seen the two cases, that is to install the specific version and install the latest version. In each case, we have followed two approaches. One is through the installing the PyCharm settings, and second approach is through the command prompt, that is the PyCharm terminal. Okay, we have discussed two cases and install the specific version and latest version, and we have followed the two approaches here. Okay, and I have shown you to uninstall also. Okay, this is how we can able to download and install the Selenium Python client, and please keep this compatible matrix open and just check which version we are installing here. So there is no compatibility exception will not happen when you are executing the script here. Okay, this is all about how to install, download and install the Selenium Python client here. Okay, if you like this video, please click on like button, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.